Shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Hey guys, I'm Catherine. Welcome to IPSY Beauty 101. Today we're gonna be doing an undercut on our model SIREN. We're gonna put some texture in your hair and give you just like a professional daytime look. And then I'm gonna show her how to do an updo for going out and just show off the undercut. And undercut is where the top layer of the hair is long and the bottom is buzz. I recommend an undercut for people with really long and thick hair. It's a really nice way to stay cool in the summer and not have to wash all that hair.
So I've never had an undercut before and I'm really excited because I'll finally give myself some volume and an extra edge that I'm going for.
So to start, we're going to section off her hair and part it. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail, the section that we're going to buzz, and I'm gonna let her cut off the ponytail. And then we're gonna go ahead and start buzzing it and then fading and blending it until we get that undercut look.